continue the discussion of geometrical constructions for line tangents and arc tangents. But first, what is a tangent? A line tangent to a circle is a line that is perpendicular to the radius and touches the circle only at one single point. The intersection of these two lines is called as tangent point. Now, where do we need tangents? In machine drawings, very often we will have to gradually merge a single line into an arc with a smooth curve, and also we have to connect two arcs with another arc, making the transition by a smooth curve. And this is where we need tangents. We'll proceed with explaining the construction of an arc which is tangent to given arc with radii r1 and r2 and with the centers as x and y. The required radius of a tangent arc is r3. Take x as center and radius equal to r1 plus r3. Draw an arc a dash b dash. Similarly, take y as a center. Draw an arc c dash d dash with radius equal to r2 plus r3. The arcs a dash b dash and c dash d dash intersect at point P. With point P as center and radius r3, we will draw an arc which will be tangent to the given arcs at points M and N respectively. Let's now erase the unwanted curve segment. And here we go. We have just drawn a tangent arc to given arcs. Another frequent requirement in engineering drawing is to gradually convert a curve into a single line. For example, do you remember this object? For this type of construction, we need to draw an arc tangent to a given arc and a given straight line. So without wasting much time, let's just do it. This straight line AB and arc DC of radius R1 need to be connected with another arc of radius R2. For that, draw a line A dash B dash parallel to the given line AB at a distance of R2. Now with center of arc DC, draw an arc D dash C dash of radius equal to R1 plus R2. This arc D dash C dash intersects the line A dash B dash at a point P. With P as center and radius of R2, draw the final arc. This arc meets the line AB at point M and arc DC at point N. MN is the required tangent arc. Pretty easy, isn't it? Let's now move further to ogee-shaped arc tangent between two parallel lines. But first, what is an ogee curve? Ogee curve is also known as reverse curve and is a combination of two arcs that are reverse of each other. Now AB and CD are the two given parallel lines. Join points B and C and bisect the line BC to obtain its center point T. Further bisect line segments BT and CT. From point B, draw a perpendicular line to cut the bisector line PQ at E. And from point C, draw a perpendicular line to cut the bisector line RS at F. With points E and F as the center points and radii equal to EB and FC, draw arcs BT and CT. The arc BTC is the required ogee curve. So this is how the tangents are used in engineering drawing. Interesting, isn't it?
अगर आप भी मेरा मनोबल बढ़ाना चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।